Hello everybody, my name is Akello Betty. I'm 23 years old. Before I go on with telling you why I am making this video today, I want to say thanks to everybody who has always liked and everybody who subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly click on the bell below so that we can always keep you posted about we, the Iteso people. Continuing with why I am making this video today. I am making this video today to tell you more about one of the many traditional medicines we Iteso have. I'm going to tell you if it's a root, if it's a leaf, if it's a fruit, and from which tree. I'm also going to tell you about the different diseases this medicine treats. Lastly, I am going to take you through the process of preparing it. So kindly stick with me until the end. Yoga kere. Ejeki alote sutoni ne ya pekedengo. Le maipita EUSUK. EUSUK tree is only found in Katakwi district. Me here, I have the chop of the EUSUK tree. Konye aketorom, ketagoro, akekwi, kerera sekia. This all treat a variety of diseases, including smallpox, cough, flu, and of recent, Professor Ogwang used it to make COVIDEX. So right now, I am going to put my seeds into the Iteso. This is called Iteso. When I am done putting my seeds into the Iteso, I have to pound them until they are powder form. After pounding, and it looks like this, or even better, you get a small cup or big cup, depending on your preference, and then you pour the powder into the cup. So I'll be using my vintage cup.
Now we are going to pour our boiled hot water from my flask into our cup. After pouring our boiled water into our cup, we are going to start mixing until the mixture mixes very well. Adolesa walai chibana mot. So in case I have awola symptoms or etutum symptoms, these will all go. EUSUK medicine to the world.